Well, hello, trader nerds. Welcome into a fabulous Friday. Good to be with all of you. And real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds. We got Chaim in the house. Hadn't seen you in a while, Chaim. Good to see you. Dan, DB, Dwayne, Edwin Pruitt, Chevrolet, Jim B. We got John, we got Kevin, we got Mo, and we have Sean. So good afternoon, everybody. Hope you're having a fabulous day. The markets are down 1.5% on the E-minis. VIX has popped its little head up to 18 and AD negative 298. It is on its butt for the day, and the markets are down, y'all. NASDAQ down 1.73%. It is the bloodbath. Well, it's not really a bloodbath, but it's a nice little drop, which means our covered calls are doing fantastic. But let's see our volume profile on NASDAQ. So it looks like we're fairly priced again. We're at the point of control, right at the 20% line. So that looks good. Let's look at the E-minis. Look at that. This should be a little bit of support here, y'all. The 6044 level at this 80% number. So we are still fairly priced. Well, actually, we're oversold just a tad, but we should see this be a little bit of support. You often see this time and time again with our big green monster, don't we? We really do, just time and time again. Let's see how our linear regression looks. So linear regression is still, undecided. Maybe we're not undecided, and then a down day. This is just nothing. Nothing at all, especially for us that trade TQQQ. We need some movement, y'all. I'm gonna get a little bit of movement today, but really just look at this. This candle and this candle are about the same starting place. Well, not quite. That's a little later, but it's just a big nothing burger. We can't find a trend to go up or down. Let's see. Let me go this chart. This is the cool little chart that I'm using now. Let's see this. And let's put in TQQQ. If I can see how to. Because today would be a great day on TQQQ to sell a put, right? It's saying sell here. It's saying that we're going down. The MACD is going down. Looks like we are a little bit oversold, doesn't it, on the RSI? So let's look at the weekly chart. I would like to see the weekly chart. Let's see if I can change to the weekly chart. Here we go. So we'll go to the weekly chart. And here we go. So it's telling us on the weekly, it's giving us a little signal to buy here. And we are at the top of RSI, and MACD is up here. So I think it's a great day to sell a put, y'all. I really do. So let's look at this and see if we can log in. Our net lick is having a little bit of trouble today, y'all. Look at this. We're down $1,300, almost $1,400 on the day. But we know that our positions are doing really good. Look at this. Remember when I was like, oh, I sold these calls. If I hadn't sold these calls, well, now I'm glad I sold the calls, because now we're up 254 today on that and 194 on that. This one is at 26% profit. This is at 6.7. And as you can see, we don't have any puts at all. And look, y'all, on a day when the market is down 5%, oh, behave. Oh, still. I mean, that's what we got to do, right? So why don't we do that? Let's go to the trade tab. Now, some of y'all have been talking about doing weekly puts and weekly and all that, and that's fine too. I don't care. But I still kind of like going out to the 45 days. Let's clear this out and see where we can sell our, look at this, y'all. Our, what do you call cost basis is 76, right? That's how our cost basis is. And we could go out and sell a 30% probability right at our cost basis or right below our cost basis. Look at that. We could bring in $239 here at a 30 delta. Let's do this. And let's pop it to the mid price and see if we get filled there. Great. Wow, that's $5,000 worth of buying power that takes. It takes quite a bit, doesn't it? Hey, we are filled, baby. Look at that, under our cost basis even. And I've remembered in the past that we've sold a 79 call. So selling a 75, that's really good for 270. So let us put a little order in to close this puppy when we get to 50%. Let's see, $1.35. So we sold it for 270. Limit order GTC. That looks good to me. There we go. Good. And let's see our, so we've got a put. We're down $17 on it already, down 6.3%. Wow, look at that. Let's see how our little 111 is doing. It is a good day to do a 111 too. This is still up 4%. So I probably won't do one based on how our hedge is going. So let's look at our hedge. 40%. Let's move it to today's date, 21st. So we got about $9,600 worth of hedge. We probably need to buy some hedges come Monday. So let's see what this thing would be Monday. Let's say we're going to skip Saturday, Sunday, and we come in here on Monday and we still got $5,800. So Monday will probably, or Tuesday at the latest, we'll want to add more protection on this. But this is good. Now, someone mentioned on YouTube yesterday, something to the nature of, hey, this is a good plan. I like what you're doing, but there's ways to improve it. And I'm like, okay, tell me how. I mean, if you tell me how to improve it, I would love to know because I'm not sure. But I think we've got a good plan. We've got covered calls. We've got cash secured puts. We got bill for our unused cash. We've got hedges. We've got 111s. We've got a little bit of everything, and I'm really excited about it. All right, guys, we will go into Muscadine Mafia session with our Hello Ladies game.
Hello, ladies.
Coming up next. Y'all have a great weekend. I will see y'all Monday.